Hi, my name is Ivan Gasho. I'm with Edge Realty Solutions Impact Team. We're here today to showcase our newest listing in Mount Forest. Wait till you see the pool and the massive backyard. Let's head inside and see what 161 Queen Street has to offer for you. Stepping inside this classic 1.5-story yellow brick century home, you're greeted with the warmth of updated hardwood flooring throughout the main floor. A foyer leading to the kitchen with living and dining room off to the sides. Family room features a gas fireplace and a window transom accented with stained glass and updated pot lights. A large dining room allows you space for formal dining with friends and family. This painted kitchen with glazed finish is absolutely gorgeous. Quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, an island with a breakfast bar, creating a space where you and your family will enjoy cooking and preparing meals, with patio doors leading out to the backyard and pool area. A solid wood staircase with original banister and railing leads to the second floor. The second floor bath with tile floor throughout contains a jacuzzi tub, shower, and a vanity with a double sink. A welcoming, comfortable master bedroom with ensuite. Imagine you and your family relaxing this summer in this beautiful private backyard, spending time in this in-ground pool. Thank you for coming on this tour with me. If you would like to see this house in person, contact me today for a private viewing.